Here is the reality aggressive marketing won't tell you. The voice assistant integration is the weakest link because it relies entirely on a stable, active Bluetooth connection to your phone. If your phone is in the other room, or the Garmin Connect app is killed in the background by your phone's power management, the smart features of this watch simply die. This means you cannot reliably use the watch to set a kitchen timer via voice or send a text if you're not tethered to your phone. This is the design decision I mentioned at the start. Garmin built a watch that handles the body perfectly, but the brain is still in your pocket. To avoid frustration, you have to accept that this is a data collection tool, not a standalone communicator. If you go for a run without your phone, you lose all smart functionality except for music playback, if you preloaded Spotify.